So hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me here at Fluid Arts by Elsa. So I have nothing to show you, but I do want to say thank you for being here with me today. I feel like I haven't been on for ages, and it's only been about 6 days, but thank you so much. I want to share with you, Sunday was my birthday, so yay, happy birthday to me. And yesterday, so Sunday my birthday, Monday is my son's birthday. Happy birthday, Caesar. I love you to pieces. We had a great time. We had a snowfall here in Pennsylvania, so that was our birthday. He loves the snow. I don't so much. Don't hate me for it. But yeah, I like to see it fall. I like to take pictures, and that's it. That's all the snow I like. Other than that, no. But he enjoyed it. He loved having snow for his birthday. And we had a nice celebration. So we had our weekend birthday party, which we do every year. It's like back to back. So hey, celebrate. So happy birthday to me and happy birthday to my son. Today I am gonna work on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I mixed up some paint here, and this is titanium white. See, titanium white with a hint of titanium buff. And it's like a so faint kind of white, more to go versus like 98% white and then a hint of that titanium buff light. I didn't want like a solid white, but I did want it to have like a beigey tone to it. So that's what I have here. And the colors, I have an interesting color palette, and I'm going to show you that once we get down at the canvas. So hurry up, meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone, so here we are, and like I said, we're working on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I'm gonna put my gloves on, and we are gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead, flood the canvas, and we'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so we're back. The canvas has been flooded. Now I'm going to show you the color combo I am going to be working with. So we're starting with Olive Green Deep by Amsterdam. And what I'm thinking is I'm going to go along the side of the entire canvas. So that's what we're going to do here. So I'm going to go here, 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 and here. Next color I have Pearl Ivory by DecoArt. And this one I'm gonna kind of wiggle. I don't know if this frame is gonna work out, but we'll try. Next color I have Phthalo Green by Winsor and Newton. And look how gorgeous that color is. It looks like a cake. My next color is Pearl Tulip Pink. Okay. Next, I have Light Rose by Amsterdam. Definitely looks like a cake. I'm gonna stay here. Who knows how I'm gonna blow this out? Help me, people. And last, I have Vivid White by Pebeo. I don't know, now that I have this mess here, I don't know how I'm going to blow this out. But we will see. We will see. Okay. There are my colors. I'm going to torch out these air bubbles once again. And I have no idea how I'm going to blow this out. No idea. All right, let's begin. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love this. I do want to go in here and just wipe this back. Okay, I don't think I want to do anything else. Oh, I love it. And I love the hints of that pink. Love it. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. Okay, guys. I'm going to clean up my edges. I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, everyone. So here she is. And check how beautiful she is. I love the pops of those pinks in here. But absolutely loving the green. What do you guys think? Look at this color combination. I'm going to come in so we can look around at the details. Look at those cells. Check out that pop of pink. Absolutely beautiful. The shades of greens, absolutely gorgeous. Look at the clusters of cells. Beautiful. Love how it branches out and it falls off the edge here. Check out that webbing and lacing in there. Look at that right there. Wow, absolute. Look at this beauty. I love it. Tell me what you guys think about this one. Look how that pink comes through and on that edge there for that center. Gorgeous. And see how much reaction we got here. Look at those cells. Absolutely magnificent. I love how everything works together. Love these colors. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Fluid Arts by Elsa. Click the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I have new content. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.